Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Asana. Tags are a powerful way to categorize and organize your tasks across different projects, making it easier to filter and find related work items quickly. First, you'll want to open the project where you need to use tags. Navigate to your Asana workspace and select the specific project you're working with. This could be anything from a marketing campaign to a product development board, depending on your team's workflow. Once you're in the project, click on the task you want to tag. This will open the task details pane on the right side of your screen, where you can see all the information related to that particular task. This pane is your central hub for managing everything about the task, including deadlines, assignees, and of course, tags. Now here's a quick shortcut that will speed up your workflow. Press Tab plus T on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly opens the tag input field, saving you from having to hunt through menus. It's one of those small efficiency boosters that makes a real difference when you're managing multiple tasks. In the tag input field, type the name of the tag you want to add. As you type, Asana will search through your existing tags and display any matches in a drop-down menu. This is helpful because it prevents you from accidentally creating duplicate tags with slightly different names. If you see the tag you want in the drop-down, simply click on it to select it. However, if you're creating a brand new tag, just finish typing the name and press Enter. This tells Asana to create a fresh tag with that exact name. When you create a new tag, Asana will prompt you to pick a color from the available options. Choose a color that makes sense for your tagging system. Many teams use color coding to represent different categories, like priority levels or departments, so pick something that aligns with your organizational strategy. After you've selected the color, the tag will be immediately added to your task and become visible in the task details pane. You'll also be able to see this tag when viewing your task list, making it easy to identify tagged items at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.